Hello, this is my enhancement 2. So the first parameter is there should be a file named enhancement2.txt in a folder named SQL. So here it is, SQL folder, enhancements2.txt. All my SQL codes are here. Second is the Tony Stark insert SQL statement works. That works. Tony Stark is one of my clients. Client ID, first and last name, email, password, and comment have been updated. The second parameter is the Tony Stark update SQL statement works. So the update statement is to update the client level to 3. And that has been updated. Client level is 3. The next one is the spacious interior update SQL statement works. This is here. So I updated the env description. And if you will see the inventory for Hummer, it now says spacious interior. Let's get back to that. Oh, got there. Modules. Enhancement 2. Then we're at delete the Jeep Wrangler statement. Select the SUV items in SQL. So if we run that, this was it. If you run it, you see the 3 SUV models, Machine, Escalade, and Surveillance Van. Delete the Jeep Wrangler SQL statement. In the inventory, Jeep Wrangler was number 1. It has been deleted. The first inventory ID is number 2, which is Ford. The env image and env thumbnail update query works. So if we check the inventory, so it now says PHP Motors before the env image file path. So here is the SQL image that I used. Sorry, SQL command that I used. So PHP Motors video connection function works. So it is here in connections. When I run it, localhost motors. So it's showing a blank screen. because it's connecting. But if I change the server name to an incorrect name, the error message will load. So put it back. Sorry. Library. It's back again to the blank screen. So that's here. Okay. So I've demonstrated all of the enhancements required for enhancements 2. Have a great day. Bye.